How to change device name on Android so that if it is easy to find your device. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to change the name of the device, it's a very simple process. All you have to do is go to the settings of your device. Now as you tap on settings of the device, you can see the about phone option as the very first option over here. Tap on it, and as you tap on it, you can see the option of device name over here. Tap on device name, and here you can see right now it's written as Redmi 9 Power, but if you want to change it, you can just delete this one and enter any of this as the other name, for example Emily, and then tap on the tick mark, and there you go, your device name has been changed now. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.